How many times have you made a decision that you thought was God, but it ended up costing you peace, time, money, or heartbreak? Not every good idea is a God idea. Most people don't struggle with decisions because they don't have options. They struggle with decisions because they do not know how to discern. So powerful. When pressure hits, we run. When emotions rise, we act. When fear speaks, we react. We don't wait on God. We try to drag him into what we already want. Romans chapter 12 verse 2 says, do not be conformed to the patterns of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. This part is important because a lot of us skip this part. Then you will be able to test and approve the will of God, meaning God's will can be tested. You don't have to guess. You don't have to force. You don't have to obsess. So I built something called How to Make God-Aligned Decisions, a 4-step biblical discernment framework. Of course, that goes into the 4 steps on how to make God-aligned decisions. I'm going to break them down real simple. Step 1, surrender. This is the hardest part, but this very step is what sets the alignment to make the right decision. You give the outcome to God because you cannot discern his will while you're trying to force your own. Step 2, stillness. You step back, calm your nervous system. God is not in a rush, so why are you? Step 3, alignment testing. This is based on 3 things. You test the decision against your daily routine, your values, and the life season you're currently in right now. God will not lead you to make a decision that contradicts your current season. And then step 4, purpose check. What's the motive? Does this decision I'm about to make, does it align with my purpose, what God has called me to do? Because remember, peace stays where God is. It was with this same 4-step framework that I used when I got the idea to make this course, to test, to see if it's a good idea or a God idea. So if you are done making decisions out of fear or confusion, this is for you. The course is live. The launch price is $597. After the launch, it goes to $997. So click the link in the description and I will see you inside. Remember, you don't make decisions out of fear. You make decisions out of alignment. Live life.